This video is going to walk you through setting up and posting a late charge. You can post a late charge to any open charge in Danceworks, be that registration, tuition, costumes, or any other charge that you've set up and posted to your accounts. Before you post a late charge, you'll want to set it up in your school defaults. To reach the school defaults page, you'll select Admin, Settings, and then School Defaults. Now you can charge your late charge by dollar amount, which applies a flat dollar amount to each open charge, or by percent, which will apply a percentage of the charge to each open charge. These are set at the defaults are set at $15 and 15%, but you can change this to any number that you want. So if we wanted to charge $10 for a late charge, we would click in the amount box, type in $10, and click outside to set that. If you want to change percent, you'd do the same thing. You could change this to 10%. Once you've set your late charge method and your late charge amount, you'll scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes to save those defaults in your school defaults. Now to post a late charge, you'll post that from your Charges and Payments tab. So you'll select Charges and Payments, and then you'll select the Post Late Charges page, which is either up here at the top menu or down here underneath Charge Options. Click Post Late Charges, and you'll see the Post Late Charges screen. Now you can charge by any billing frequency that you've set up. So we're going to charge our monthly tuition accounts. So we'll select Monthly Tuition from the drop-down menu, and you'll see your late charge amount is here in your school defaults. If your late charge amount looks like a different amount than what you had set up in your school defaults, simply go back to the school defaults page in your settings and change that amount, and make sure that you click Save Changes before you post your late charges again. Now you can select a late charge posting date, so you'll simply expand the calendar, select your date, and then you'll set your late charge description. Now this can be any charge that you have, any description you'd like. We've used January late charge, but if you want to charge your December late charge, simply click inside the field, make any changes that you want, and click outside the field to set that. This is our January late charge, so we're going to return that to January. You can select this checkbox to allow your accounts to pay the charge online. If you don't want them to pay the charge online, then deselect that checkbox. It is checked by default. And then you'll want to select the checkboxes for the open charges that you would like to post a late charge for. We just want to post an open charge for, we want to include open charges for tuition, so we're just going to select this tuition checkbox. If you wanted to do registration and tuition, you could select both of those boxes, and you could select any of the boxes that appear down here. So we're just posting for tuition, and you'll click Post Late Charge. And the screen will appear to ask you to confirm your late charge posting. Posting a late charge can't be reversed, so you'll want to make sure that all of your information is correct before you post a late charge. So if you realize that you may not have included something, or you may have included the wrong thing, click Cancel, and you can change that. We're going to actually add that registration charge on there. And then you'll click Post Late Charge. And if you're sure that you want to confirm your late charge posting, you'll click OK. And the charges will post. We've posted late charges to 4 accounts, and you'll see it down here in your late charge posting history. We've charged 4 accounts, a total of $40. Now late charges do apply to all open charges. So if you're posting late charges for tuition, and you also want to post the next month's tuition charges, you'll want to make sure that you post late charges before you post tuition charges, or else those late charges would apply to all of the open tuition charges, and not just the ones that are still, not just the ones from the last month. They would apply to the new ones that you had just posted as well. So always make sure that you post your late charges before you post any new charges that you don't want to be marked as late. If you have any questions, please contact us and let us know. This concludes our tutorial on posting late charges.